Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to walk you through and discuss Optinly, which is a pop-up tool. Now pop-ups are informational or promotional offers that display on top of your content on your website. They are designed to capture users' attention very quickly. Typically pop-ups include a CTA in an attempt to get your visitor to take a desired action, which can include downloading a brochure or leading them to your cart page. If you look at Optinly, they are currently being sold on Appsumo, which is a marketplace, for $59 and upwards. So what does Optinly do and why it's good for your business? Right? Let's take a look at the features. So you can grow your email list and increase your sales conversion using Optinly. The features that they have is exit intent pop-up, which is shown when somebody tries to exit your website or landing page. You also have email pop-ups, which are designed to convert your visitors into leads. Now, an amazing feature that they have, which many traditional pop-up tools do not have, is spin the wheel. A spin the wheel pop-up is designed to incentivize or give rewards to your visitors. Right? I'm going to walk you through this one also. This is a very interesting feature which is available in Optinly. So if you scroll down, you can look at the integrations. It integrates with WordPress, Shopify, with Drupal and many more CMS platforms. It's currently being used by over 10,000 websites. And they have around 80 plus ready-made templates which are available. On Appsumo, they have 100 plus 5-star ratings. Now, how can Optinly help you grow your business? They grab your visitors' attention, increase conversion rate, collect feedback. You can promote your special offers or discounts. And all of this can be done using pre-built pop-up templates. You can also conduct surveys, grow your email list, increase your cart value, and earn customer referrals. Let's take a look at the different type of pop-ups that they have. They have, like I explained, exit intent, which is these pop-ups automatically show when somebody is trying to leave your website, and you can then show a pop-up which can give an offer like 10% or 15% discount. You have full screen overlays that gives you undivided attention. It takes over your full screen and it shows you a certain message. You have spin the wheel, which is very interesting. You have countdown timers, which shows you the timer, 2 days left or 1 day left for the offer to end. Floating bars, they float down, and the last one is slide in pop-up, which you can use to show on the right or the left. Now you can set it up very easily because this is a no code pop-up. You don't have to put in any code. Further down, you will see they have more than 2,000 plus customers, more than 75 plus responsive templates. You can see they have some beautiful ones. You can also check more templates over here. Coming to the Esps and Web Hooks, they integrate directly with tools like HubSpot, MirrorLite, MailChimp, Zapier, Pabbly Connect. So you don't have to worry which email marketing tool or which webhook you're using, Aweber, etc. Right? And if you come down, you will see a comparison with Optinly with other pop-up tools like Optin Monster, which is very popular for WordPress users, Hello Bar. So let's just take a look at Optin, for example, and then you will see all the features which are offered by Optinly versus Optin. So Optinly allows you to add their code via Google Tag Manager, whereas Optin does not. They have some similar integrations, but again over here they don't have with Integrately and Pabbly. They don't have with Automazy. So when you scroll down to the footer, you will see a comparison between Optinly and some of the most popular pop-up tools which are available. Now coming to the Appsumo deal. Now Appsumo is a marketplace wherein you get a lot of tools or products which are available for lifetime. So you don't have to have a monthly or yearly recurring bill when you buy something from Appsumo. I'm going to come here and put in Optinly. And you will see Optinly showing up over here for $59. I'm going to go in and you can see over here that using this deal that is currently on Optinly, you get eye-catchy pop-up templates. It's an alternative to Optin Monster, Wise Pop-ups and Poptin. Create unlimited pop-up campaigns which are triggered for device, exit intent, time delays. It's best for e-commerce stores, but if you ask my opinion, it's best for any industry or any business that you have, not only e-commerce. Whether you have real estate business, obviously you would want to get a lead. So for example, if somebody is trying to leave your website, you can show a download brochure pop-up, for example, and get that lead. So if you scroll down further, you will see all the different features that are available. So this is the spin the wheel. So with this plan on Appsumo right now, you get lifetime access to Optinly. You get all the future growth plan updates. No codes, no stacking. So when they say all growth plan updates, so the Optinly actually came on Appsumo in January 2021 last year. And from that year till now, in 1 year, what they have done is they have introduced A/B testing. This was a widely requested feature. So A/B testing was not there in the earlier launch. So those customers who bought last year automatically get the A/B testing feature now, because they will be updated to all growth plan updates. So you must activate your license within 60 days of the purchase, and you have 5 tires that you can purchase. In case you don't like it, obviously you can always ask for a 60-day money back guarantee, no matter what reason, and you will get your money back. So previous customers who purchase Optinly can upgrade the license to increase their feature limits. So in this plan, you get 75 premium templates, exit intent technologies, 6 pop-up form types, 12 email service integrations, advanced targeting, analytics, spin the wheel gamified pop-up, which is good that they have given this gamified pop-up in all the tires licenses. And with $59, you get all of the above for 5 websites. And then you can go to tier 2 and you get all of the features for 10 websites, right? So depending on your need, on your requirement, if you are an agency and you have many clients, then obviously you can maybe select tier 5. It'll cost you $295 for lifetime, but you get unlimited websites in this. And as you can see over here, they have 173 reviews and their rating is 4.9 out of 5, which is very good. Not every tool gets 4.9 or nearly 5 out of 5 tacos, as they call them on Appsumo. So this is available for a short duration. So it's good that you go ahead and buy this and try it out on your website. Even if you don't like it, you can always refund it within the next 60 days. So you don't have to worry that if you buy it, you won't get your money back, right? I'm just going to go back to Optinly over here and let me just walk you through spin the wheel. So here, as you can see, that you can create a new campaign based on intent, like for example, build audience, guide website visitors, special offers, etc. Now you can choose the subscription type over here. You can customize email templates as per your brand colors. You can add the styling, edit the text, form fields, win info, whoever has won. And if you come down further, you can also set the gamified pop-up to decide what the trigger is. So should it show on page load? Do you want to show the pop-up instantly? Do you want to show on exit, or do you want to show on click to trigger? And you can add further conditions over here. Now, if you come down over here, then you will see the title of the spin the wheel, the description, the form, and the email address. And you can set up your conditions. You can say that, for example, out of these spin, 20% discount is 1. You lost this time, and you can clearly define your fields over here so that you don't give away more than what you can. And you also have custom win and lose messages. So in my next video, I'll walk you through how you can set this up and how it shows up in real time on the website. If I go to see other pop-ups, exit intent pop-up, for example, so you will see that again you have so many templates to choose from. This is an exit intent pop-up. You can always change the text, you can change the image. Another very interesting feature that they have launched is video pop-ups, which allows you to add a video. For example, instead of an image over here, you can add a video, and that allows the user to watch the video and therefore spend more time on your website. So spending more time on your website also, it's reflected on your Google Analytics dashboard, right? So you can also add video pop-ups, which is very good. And like I said, if you come down further, customize exit pop-up template, you can give away something, right? You can set the display rules and go live. And you have so many different pop-ups that you can use. So this is a small introduction. Okay, there's also in-depth analytics dashboard. You can see how many campaigns it is, how many views you have, how many clicks. responses, right? You can manage campaigns seamlessly, you can edit them, so as it's no code, you don't have to add or have any knowledge of any codes. You can also see the FAQs for each of the pop-ups, so you can read through these frequently asked questions and get some more knowledge about how this pop-up is. One good thing is that all the pop-ups are responsive, so the pop-up automatically converts the size to match the mobile and tablet and desktop, whichever screen size you have, right? Another feature is A/B testing feature, like I mentioned before. So you can create 2 pop-ups and you can test them for 3 days or 5 days and then evaluate which one has got more clicks or more conversions. So if I look at the pricing, which is the regular pricing, not the Appsumo pricing, they are giving away forever free plan for $0, so it's free. What you can do is you can use it for single site and you get free pop-up templates, you get exit intent technology, you get only 3 pop-up form types. You also get Pixabay integration for stock images, so you can integrate with Pixabay and directly pull in any images from Pixabay here, so you don't have to save the Pixabay image on your desktop and then upload them. When it comes to starter plan, which is for $9 per month, and this is on monthly, if you click on yearly, then the $9 turn to $7.2 per month. You get everything in the free plan plus 1 site, $9 for every additional site. You get 60 premium templates and you get spin the wheel pop-up here in the starter plan, which you don't get over here in the free plan, right? And you also get countdown timer pop-ups, also priority support. They always have a chat icon over here, so you can always chat with them to get more information. Now in the next plan, which is the growth plan, you get 5 sites and $9 for every additional site. Now the good thing is that when you look at the normal pricing, for $20 per month, you are getting maximum of 5 sites. But if you look at Appsumo deal, for tier 5, you're given unlimited sites. For tier 4, it's only 50 websites. So it is just a one-time cost or one-time investment, I would say, of $295. And then you get this tool for a lifetime. So in the growth plan, you get $9 for every additional site, 60 plus templates, spin the wheel, pop-up launcher, full screen overlays, countdown timer, priority support, right? So it's your call. You can, now is the time and opportunity to buy it from Appsumo and enjoy using this tool, get more leads, more subscribers, more conversions, more sales, right? Otherwise, if this deal is out, it expires, then you have, you can buy it directly from the website. So in my next video, I'll be walking you through, I'll subscribe to this tool or I'll buy this tool and then walk you through how you can set up the pop-ups. Thank you.